Ngasi February ki tang Mapan kumja lisingani kunmari Irai numit United National Liberation Front UNLF Manipur ki Lanmee shanglup Manipur People's Army MPA Saphonglakhibagi contractor Suba Mapok Komon Numit ki thouram Manipur Manung amasung mapanda leiriba party Amadi Lanmee ki unit Singda maipakna Pangthokkhre haina Koireng luchingba UNLF Central Committee ki Publicity Secretary M Shak-hen na thadorakpa cherol amana khanghallakli cherol asna hai Manipur People's Army MPA Saphonglakhibagi contractor Suba Mapok Komon Numit ki mapung oiba thouramde ningtam yarol lalhoda thawaina ponthapi khraba athoba Singda Ikai khumnabotuna minute ani tumina lepa leibang miyam gi ningtam lalhoda thawai ka thokraba athoba singi mafamda laisu katpa amade Kumon Numit asiga mari leinana Central Committee gi Military Affairs Committee na puthokpa chahi gi warol pathokpa amasung Party Amadi Lanmee ki luchingba singna thouram ka mari leinana warol pibana chingbana oike Central Headquarters CISQ da Pangthokpa thouram amada Military Affairs Committee ki Chairman gi thaudang puriba UNLF ki Chairman MC Koireng na thouram mapu oiraga MAC ki Member Colonel K Poyaning amasung MPA ki Vice Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant Colonel L Khongnang Thabana DICE member sing oina oike Loinana Central Committee ki Member Singh M Iboyaima, Officiating General Secretary Y Abo, Secretary of Agriculture and Environment O Chingkai Nganbe, Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Ketrimayum Yohenba, Secretary of Organization M Munan, Secretary of Finance amasung tungan-tunganba Department Singh Director Singh, Party ke Cadre Singh amadi Lanmee Singh susarukya ki. General Headquarters Star MPA ki Chief of Army Staff Colonel M Chaupana, thouram mapu oiraga, Lanmee ki firal chingkhatuna Mapok Komon gi mapungoiba thouram pangthokki. Tactical Headquarters 1 da Pangthokpa thouram dana GSO2 Lieutenant Colonel N Inaubana thouram mapu oiraga Central Committee ki Member Singh TD Kumon Chiru, Secretary of Minority Affairs Amadi M Shak-hen, Secretary of Publicity na sarukya ki. Tactical Headquarters 2 da Pangthokpa thouram da GSO2 Lieutenant Colonel T.H. Wakhaibana thouram mapu oiraga pangthokki. Mapan da Pangthokpa thouram da UNLF ki General Secretary External Affairs ki thaudangsu puriba N Lanchana thouram mapu oiraga pangthokki. Kanglai da Pangthokpa thouram da Colonel I Tombana thouram mapu oike. Laksa da Pangthokpa thouram da Lieutenant Colonel W Chumthangna thouram mapu oike. Singdam da Pangthokpa thouram dana Lieutenant Colonel N Manabana thouram mapu oike. Tampaki District Singdatu Operation Commander Singna thouram mapu oiraga Kumon thouram asi pangthokki. Loinana Training Center Singdasu Training Officer Singna thouram mapu oiraga Mapok Komon Numit asi pangthokki. MPA ge Kumon thouram asida Imalebak Manipur gi ningkha tambagi lantheng asida ngasi fauba khongpham hongdana chetan leminariba Yawolop Singh KCP KYKL Pripak Pro Amadi RPF ke Lanmee Singh su sarukya ki. Ngasi ge Kumon thouram asi maipakna pangthokna honabada makhal kya gi mateng pibirakiba amasung thouram asida sarukyabi kiba Irai chapunamaki mafamda Koireng na luchingba UNLF MPA na taubimal khangba utli haina cherol asina makha tarakli.